Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 29. Our objective, represent pictorial decomposition and composition addition stories to 9 with 5 group drawings and equations with no unknown. So making sure that when you're drawing your pictures in math class, you're using circles and you're drawing the 5 group way, which means only 5 circles, objects on top, and the rest on the bottom. Let's get started. We're also going to practice our number sentence forward and backwards. All right, here is a game that you can play at home with your family or some friends. It's called 1, 2, 3, sit on 10, and counting all the way up and sitting on 20. So if the person says 10, in the circle, they sit down and they can play next round. And if the person says 20, they sit down and play the next round. I hope you have fun playing this game. All right, I'm going to show you some cards and you will tell me how many. Show me quick with your fingers how many you see and say the number out loud. Try and beat me. 8, good job. 7, good. 3, 1, 10. Ooh, 9, 5, 4, 2, 6, 8, 7, 3. What am I doing? 3. Silly missplit. 1, 10, 9, 5, 4, 2, 6, 0. Well done. All right, Ashley had 9 pennies. Show her 9 pennies right here, or you can draw me 9 circles. She wanted to use 4 of her pennies to buy some gum. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of her pennies to buy a balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write our number bond to match our story. How many pennies did she use to buy her gum? 4. How many did she use to buy her balloon? 5. How many pennies did she have all together? 5 and 4 makes 9. Great job. All right, practice your number pairs to 9 at home, and you can use my number 9 houses to help. 0 and 9 makes 9. 1 and 8 makes 9. 2 plus 7 makes 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Turn and tell someone at your house, what's your favorite number pair to 9? Pause the video if you're still talking. Awesome. All right, listen to my story. Jacob had 9 tasty berries. 5 of them were strawberries, and 4 of them were blueberries. I've got my 5 strawberries and my 4 blueberries. And then let's make our number bond match. All right, how many strawberries do I have? 5. How many blueberries do I have? 4. How many berries all together? 9. First a circle, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Good. I'm going to label our number bond for you. We've got the whole, we've got the parts, and now let's figure out how we need to fill in our number sentence. Take a careful look. What number do we say first for the whole? 9. And then tell me the 2 parts. 9 is the same as, 9 equals 5 plus 4. Great job. All right, I have another story for you. Dulce had 6 beads. Her friend gave her 3 more beads. Now Dulce has 9 beads. How many beads did Dulce first have? So let's go back into the story. Dulce had 6 beads to start. I'm going to pull out 6 beads for her. So first she had 6 blue beads. Then her friend gave her 3 white beads. How many did she have all together? Good. All right, let's fill in our number bond. How many blue beads? 6. How many white beads? 3. How many beads all together? 9. Great job. Let's write our number sentence to match that. Let's start with the whole over here. 9 is the same as 6 plus 3. Let's write it forward. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Great job. All right, erase your board for me and practice drawing circles the 5 group way. Give me 8 circles. Remember, how many are allowed on top? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. See if you can fill in your number sentence to match this picture. 8 is the same as 5 blue and how many red? 3. Good. Now let's write the number sentence the other way. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Great job. All right, let's take a look at our problem set. We have a picture, but I'm going to draw circles to match the picture. So I have some gray horses here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've matched how many horses I see, and I'm going to draw brown for the lions. I see 4 lions. Now I'm going to fill in my number sentence. How many horses do I have? Gray horses. Good, 5. You can see the 5 right on top here. And how many brown lions? 4. How many animals all together? 9. Great job. All right, for this problem, we don't have a picture, so that's why we're going to use our circles to help us. Jimmy had 9 marbles. 8 were red. All right, I'm going to draw 8, and I'm going to stop when I hear the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you're dropping down and drawing it the 5 group way. He has 1 marble that is green. How many green marbles did Jimmy have? 1. How many red marbles did Jimmy have? 8. How many marbles did he have all together? 9. Good job. I'm going to match that to my number bond now. 1 green marble, 8 red marbles, all together 9 marbles. You're doing great, friends. One more practice problem. Go ahead and see if you can help me fill in my number sentence for my baseball bats and my baseball gloves. Let's start with the brown gloves. How many gloves do you see? Oh, I heard some quick counting. 5, 6, 7. How many baseball bats do you see? 2. How many all together? 9. Great job. Now let's write it the other way. Let's start with the whole, and then we'll put in our parts. 9 is the same as 7 plus 2. Great job. Thanks for joining me.